Hi, my name is Amber.
Welcome!
In this video, we are going to take a trip through the top 15 best summer destinations for families in 2024. If you find this video useful, please smash that like and subscribe button so I can continue to make cool videos for you.
Let's jump right in.
Kicking off our countdown at number 15 is the Big Island of Hawaii. A peaceful retreat from the bustling tourist hotspots, the park offers unique experiences. You've the opportunity to immerse in night scuba diving, explore the breathtaking landscapes, go on family-friendly hikes or enjoy beach picnics. Savor the local food through tasting tours of the nearby culinary delights. This makes it a choice destination for those in search of thrilling adventures and lovers of Mother Nature's bounty. At number 14, we have the heavenly Maldives, a paradise where cerulean waters and immaculate beaches draw you in. Dive deep into the vibrant underwater world on a family snorkeling trip, bask in the luxury of extravagant villas, and indulge in building sandcastles on the sugar-white sands. As the day winds down, treat yourself to the absolutely amazing cuisine. Truly captivating, wouldn't you agree? But what if you're not trying to leave the United States? Don't worry, I've got some for you. The United States, San Francisco, home to the Exploratorium. This unique science museum is more than exhibits. It's a journey into the realms of physics, biology, and beyond. Engage your senses as you delve into hands-on experiments designed to spark curiosity and inspire awe. Whether it's exploring the magic of optical illusions, testing the limits of your senses, or unraveling the mysteries of the natural world, the Exploratorium offers an unforgettable adventure for the entire family. There's no limit to what you might uncover at the Exploratorium. It's a veritable playground for the mind, offering a world of scientific exploration that's as entertaining as it is educational. So come along and let your imagination run wild in the city by the bay. Next up on our list, at number 12, we're heading to the magical world of Disney in Orlando, Florida. A place where dreams come true and childhood fantasies are brought to life. With its numerous theme parks, including Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Animal Kingdom, Disney World promises a fun-filled adventure for the whole family. Dive into the aquatic excitement at Disney's Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach water parks, where you can cool off from the Florida sun in a myriad of water slides and wave pools. Experience meeting the beloved Disney characters, from princesses to pirates, and see their faces light up as they hug Mickey Mouse or pose for a photo with Elsa. Feel the adrenaline rush as you soar on thrilling rides like the Space Mountain or plunge into the darkness of the Haunted Mansion. Marvel at the nightly firework displays that paint the sky with a kaleidoscope of colors, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Disney World isn't just a theme park. It's a magical journey that brings out the child in all of us. With its variety of family-friendly activities and attractions, Disney World is a perfect blend of fun and fantasy, an escapade that's sure to leave everyone with unforgettable memories. Not ready to spend $3,000 on a vacation? It's okay, most people aren't, and I've got just the thing for you. Number 11, we're heading west to the United States to explore the wonders of Yellowstone National Park. Spread across 3 states, this natural gem is home to some of the most exquisite landscapes and diverse wildlife in North America. Begin your journey by marveling at the park's geothermal wonders, including the famous Old Faithful Geyser, which erupts regularly, and the vibrant hues of the Grand Prismatic Spring, the 3rd largest hot spring in the world. As you wander through the park, keep your eyes peeled for the variety of wildlife that call Yellowstone their home. For the adventure seekers, the park offers hundreds of miles of hiking trails, leading you through forests, past waterfalls, and up mountain peaks. As the day ends, set up camp under the star-studded sky and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the wilderness. Yellowstone National Park isn't just a place, it's an experience, offering an unforgettable adventure for the whole family. So strap on your hiking boots, pack your binoculars, and get ready to discover the wild side of America. Venturing to the 10th spot, we journey to the vibrant city of Austin, Texas. Located in the heart of the Lone Star State, this city, specifically the natural beauty of Barton Springs and Zilker Park, mesmerizes visitors with its stunning landscapes perfect for family picnics and awe-inspiring cityscapes ready for urban exploration. Austin is indeed a paradise, offering the perfect mix of tranquility and excitement and catering to the tastes of every traveler. This city, with its unique charm, encourages you to dive into its spirit. Explore the bustling food truck scene and the live music venues. They offer an assortment of experiences that mark it as a Texan gem. South Africa, ranked 9th, will captivate you with its unique terrains and wildlife. Picture yourself embarking on thrilling family safaris, eagerly hoping to spot one of these majestic creatures. Or perhaps taking serene nature walks to explore the awe-inspiring flora and fauna. How about experiencing the local culture through a delightful food-tasting adventure? The upscale lodges offer moments of tranquility and relaxation amidst all the excitement. South Africa guarantees an unforgettable family escapade full of adventures and is one of my all-time favorite family travel destinations. At number 8, we're heading to the sunny state of California, home to the world-renowned San Diego Zoo. This animal kingdom is an absolute paradise for animal lovers, housing over 3,500 rare and endangered animals from more than 650 species and subspecies. Kids can enjoy the exhibits, come face-to-face with their favorite animals, and even experience the thrill of spending a night in the park with the zoo's overnight camp experiences. Don't miss out on the zoo's Skyfari aerial tram, which offers breathtaking views of the park and the city beyond. So grab your safari hats and let's embark on a wild adventure at the San Diego Zoo. 7 on the list, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This city impresses with its family-oriented activities and vibrant culture. Pittsburgh, famously known as the City of Bridges, showcases an astonishing 446 bridges. It's a paradise for both the art enthusiast, with its dynamic cultural scene, and the thrill seeker, due to its myriad family-friendly attractions. Revel in family visits to interactive museums that captivate with a wealth of knowledge. Engage in city tours that allow you to explore and appreciate the city's scenic inclines and panoramic views. Indulge in local food tasting, savoring the unique flavors of Pittsburgh. Undoubtedly, this city provides entertainment and enjoyment for all ages. Number 10 leads us to the dynamic landscapes of Thailand, ranked 6th in our destination list. This country is home to the world's largest gold Buddha. Here, the atmosphere dances between the frenzy of city life and tranquil beaches. Join a family market tour to experience the vibrant energy of the bustling markets, teeming with activity and color. This is where the pulse of the nation beats. Dive into the mystical ambiance of ancient temples by scheduling a temple visit, where stories from the past seem to resonate in hushed tones. Sample the authentic local cuisine during a food tasting. Let your palate be overpowered by the tantalizing, rich, and distinctive flavors of Thai food. This trip, a harmony of experiences, is sure to etch itself into your memory, transforming it into an unforgettable journey. France as our 11th stop. Ranked at number 5, this enchanting country is a mesmerizing blend of quaint villages, scenic landscapes, the allure of Parisian streets, and impressive vineyards. France promises a journey that etches itself in your memory, filled with cultural explorations and gastronomical delights. Imagine leisurely strolls with your family through these picturesque villages, exploring the romantic city of Paris on guided tours, and indulging in local food tasting. An interesting fact for you: France holds the crown as the world's most visited country. It's no surprise, as this stunning nation magnetizes more tourists each year than any other. Italy holds a prestigious spot at number 12. This coveted destination, ranking at number 4, is always prepared to welcome families ready to immerse themselves in its vibrant and intricate history. Here, you can escort your family on an enlightening journey, visiting its extensive historical landmarks, traversing through a city that reverberates with narratives of a past era. Discover its quaint, scenic hamlets, where you can organize comprehensive village tours that provide a genuine insight into local life. Appreciate the congeniality of its warm and welcoming locals, a gem in itself. Italy's globally acclaimed cuisine is indeed a journey for your taste buds, offering local food tasting that acquaints you with delectable Italian culinary delights. A must-indulge experience for all is the irresistible gelato. Embark on an Italian escapade that lets you wander through idyllic villages and indulge your taste buds in the essence of its local food. Finding its place at number 13, Lake Tahoe secures the 3rd position in terms of destination ranking. Its awe-inspiring landscape leaves everyone spellbound. An uncommon fun fact: it holds the title of the largest alpine lake in North America. This place is a haven for those who are nature aficionados, offering stunning panoramic views and a plethora of wildlife. If your children are as fond of water as mine, they will be overjoyed to spend the day here. From demanding mountain trails for the audacious hikers to pristine waters that are perfect for boating, fishing, swimming, and more, your dear ones will have an abundance of activities to choose from. And when the winter season arrives, the terrain transforms into an icy wonderland, simply ideal for skiing and snowboarding. But the charm of Lake Tahoe is not limited to its natural beauty and outdoor adventures. It also offers a taste of local cuisine that keeps visitors coming back for more. Lake Tahoe guarantees all year-round enjoyment and an unmatched experience for the whole family. Greece firmly holds the #2 ranking, offering sun-kissed shores ideal for families seeking respite from the summer heat. Whether you're diving into activities or purely unwinding, Greece pledges a distinct family escape. Without a doubt, Greece guarantees a memorable family holiday brimming with joy and exploration. We're jet-setting to the exhilarating universe of Splash Lagoon in Erie, Pennsylvania, our #1 ranked destination. This indoor water park resort is a watery wonderland that promises fun regardless of the weather outside, making it a perfect destination all year round. The pulsating rhythm of the Wild Waters wave pool mimics the ocean's waves, while the Shark Attack slide offers a thrilling descent into a pool below. For our little adventurers, Monkey Shines Island is a paradise of slides, water cannons, and climbing nets. But the fun doesn't end there. Get ready to meet Splash Lagoon's beloved mascots, who are always ready to bring a smile to your face. And for those who crave a bit of adrenaline, brace yourselves for the Black Hole and the Cyclone, rides that are sure to get your heart racing. As the day winds down, the park transforms into a spectacular display with its nightly water shows. The combination of water, light, and music create a mesmerizing spectacle that will leave you with unforgettable memories. So, pack your swimsuits and let's get ready for some fun in the water at Splash Lagoon. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just looking for a fun way to spend the day with your family, Splash Lagoon offers something for everyone.